Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with a bombshell. Apple just pulled the plug on its electric car project, and Elon Musk's got a cheeky reaction. Let's dive in. After a decade, Apple's ditching its EV dreams for AI. Why? And what's with Musk's emojis? Stick around for the juicy details. On February 27, 2024, Bloomberg dropped the news. Apple suspended its electric car project, codenamed Project Titan, after nearly 10 years. Sources say the 2,000 employees on the project are now shifting to Apple's AI division to supercharge generative AI tech. Ben Bajarin from Creative Strategies said that this pivot could make Apple a serious AI contender, boosting investor confidence. Why the shutdown? Global EV demand's tanking thanks to high interest rates, hitting even Tesla, the EV king. Major automakers are slashing jobs and pivoting to hybrids instead of full-powered battery cars. Apple, which kicked off Project Titan in 2015 amid self-driving hype, faced bumpy progress. It was reported in 2020 that Apple aimed for a 2024 launch, but internal shifts, like moving from a steering wheel-free design to a more standard car, slowed things down. By 2024, it was clear the Project Titan wasn't viable. Enter Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO. He reacted on X with a saluting emoji and a cigarette. Classic Musk shade, hinting relief that Apple's no longer a rival. Posts on X are buzzing, with some saying that Apple dodged a bullet, while others think Musk is gloating too soon. Either way, Apple's now all in on AI, leaving EVs to Tesla and others. Why is this huge? Apple scrapping its car shows even tech giants can't crack the EV market easily. Their AI pivot could reshape tech, but while Musk's Tesla faces less heat for now, it's a wild shift in the race for the future of transport. What's your take on Apple's EV exit? Drop a comment. Team AI or Team Tesla? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech drama.